in our state, the state of Andhra Pradesh, where the very word democracy means equitable justice. And today in the state of Andhra Pradesh, you have a scenario where equitable justice is denied, where democracy stands limping. That is the plight. That is the plight of affairs in Andhra Pradesh. You have a government in place where within 45 days of coming into power, you have a situation.
ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, కామెంట్, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.